So you know what? This is something is very important. You need to know and learn about how to color grading. This is something you need to learn from scratch and understand the process and know the tools how you're going to use it well. DaVinci is a perfect tool to use to grade all your photos to get the right grade. So let's just jump into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start from this node. Okay, so I'm gonna name it one node. So I'm gonna start from this one. Okay, so the thing I'm gonna start with it is that I'm gonna show you a simple way to start with it. So you're going to hold this contrast. Okay, push it to be around this side. Okay, you can see 1.428, and when you're done with it, come to shadow. Okay, come to shadow, put your shadow to be around this. Okay, 15.00, and the saturation. Okay, so we're gonna put the saturation to be around not 100, but just want to start to 80.20. So here is where we're going to push everything to make it look more cinematic look. So you're going to push this side. Okay, set it down. Okay, but don't make it so much. Okay, don't make it so much. And you can see here it's just flattened, and you can see here it's just coming out too much. So we just wanted to make sure here it's not going to be too much around there. So you can push here to be on center here. So when you get this point, that's it. Then create your second node. Let's just give the name to this one too. To node. So this one is going to give you something different. Okay, so the only thing it's going to do, we're going to make sure the skin and the background is going to be different. Okay, so we're going to start from the background. So I'm going to click here. Okay, come to and here is going to choose the background color. Okay, so I choose it, and you can see. Okay, so you can see that. So anytime you just work on it, check it before and after. So this one is something different, and it's a perfect way to just start with it. So I'm not done with it yet. Okay, so we're going to hold this two node around here, and we're going to create another node again. So that's 3. So we're going to keep it as one. Okay, so this one we're going to use to change the class to get what we just want. Okay, so I'm going to start from the sets. So offset, I'm going to make sure I'm going to push into this side. Okay, this is, can you see how everything just gave me a pause? I treat the background. Okay, start working on this. It just give me the perfect tone or perfect thing I just need to achieve. Okay, so you can see the difference now. When you get to this, make sure you come to the node 2, and you're going to stick to this side. Okay, not too much. Okay, so you have to stick to this side. It's going to spoil everything you just want to get. So we're going to leave here and make sure you're going to I'm going to add halation to just make everything just work, but I will come back again. But I need halation to just make it more good. So I'm going to zoom it so that you can see it clear. So let me just name it halation. How to say it? Halation. So when I add halation, so you have to manage trying to be around here, and you can't just make this one so much, but just before and after. So this is what we just want to get right now. So when it's done, just come back again and make sure it's going to increase this a little bit more, because I need more colors to be more great about it. And you're going to make sure here the shadow is going to come down like this. It's clear to be 33.00. So okay, so anytime you want to just working on it, check before you jump to anything it's going to damage your stuff. So okay, so let's just keep this around here and move to this side. So here is where we want to make sure we're going to get our grade. We just want it. Okay, so I don't need to make sure, don't want me the grade to be like this, so I want it to be warm. Okay, you can see now it just give us everything we just need, and this is the perfect way. I never use any loops because I go straight to the notes, and I use this default stuffs to make sure we get the perfect, the things we just need. Okay, so you can see now before and after. So this is how I used to do it all the time. I take my time to get everything I just need, okay, to make it everything step by step. Can you see that? That's how I used to just grade all my stuffs. And I'll just brush on it to just make it look so dark. And when you're done with that, create another note again. So this is the last one. I'm going to make sure we'll get to just come out with something cool. Okay, so let's just click on this. Okay, and move to here. So this one, I'm going to click on this. Okay, I want the side and side to be dark, so I'm going to stretch this. So you can just push it and push this, the center one here. Okay, and when you're done with that, you can just push this. Okay, so see here is this affecting, so we're going to turn it to be like this. Okay, so this is very simple to do and to get it great, very perfect. Okay, so when you're done with it, come to the skin. Okay, come to the skin, so I'm going to jump to this forward, then come to here. So I'm going to click on the skin. Okay, so the skin, be careful with it. Okay, so be careful with it. The skin is something you need to make sure don't play with it. Okay, so this is perfect. So I can play it so that you can know how everything just works. Yeah, how we see it? See the halation, see the top here, see the face, the cloth, and the background. Everything just look perfect. So that's how it is to just great to get the perfect skin tone. So to get more like this, you need to make sure you was just follow the step by step and know what I just showed you, and make sure you do the same thing and read the number as well. So guys, if you need more videos like this, click here and I'm gonna do more videos like this for you all to watch. See you for the next video. Bye.